Hi there, this is Jennifer Sada. Welcome back to my channel, Gen TV. Remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already. This is the place where I share with you daily videos with practical knowledge, tutorials, success principles, ideas, inspiration even, that you can implement straight away into your life and business, whatever it may be, because you don't have to be a celebrity to be an online success anymore. So let's have a look at this 5 essentials. Okay, of course, there are plenty more elements that come into place when starting an online business or any type of business, really. So we're only going to look at the essential things, the things that you absolutely need to have in place to succeed at having an online business, or actually any business, because as you will see, these principles will apply to an offline business as well. Okay, so the things that you absolutely need to have in place, there are no other options. They are essential. What's another word? Essential, absolutely necessary. Okay, I can't think of the word in English. I know there's another word. Anyway, here we go. What I like to call the practical components. Okay, you'll see later on why I call those practical. What you need to have first and foremost is an offer. Obviously, you need to have something that you're selling, right? You need to have a product, you need to have a service, whether it's a digital product or a physical product that you are selling. Now, after that, no point in having a product if you have nobody to buy it. So you need to have visitors. Okay, in terms of online marketing, we call that traffic. You need to have traffic, which means visitors that you're going to place in front of that offer. Okay, so sometimes you can have an offer and you can have traffic, but they are not meeting each other. So that brings us to the third thing, which is a system. Okay, you need to have a system that is going to do that just for you. A system that is going to, let me see, I want to use my little pen here. That system is going to help you place that offer in front of the traffic. Even more important, you want targeted traffic. Targeted traffic means visitors who are already interested in what you're offering. They already want your product. They already know about your product. They're already looking for it. So you want a system that's going to allow you to do just that, to place your offer in front of targeted traffic. That means hungry visitors, because you don't want just any kind of visitors. Okay. The other components, and let me see if that works. No, it doesn't, because, oh yeah, because I'm using the little pen thing. Okay, so you go away, and there we are. So yeah, a system is a mechanism, a process, what we call a sales funnel. Okay, so you want to become good at leveraging that system, because that's doing all the work. You're not doing all the work. You're just operating. Okay, you're just the operator. Now, the other components that are absolutely essentials, okay, I'm going to move myself higher up here, is a vision. You need to have a vision. You need to know where you are going. You need to know what your destination is. In other words, you need to have clear goals that are set with your business, what it is that you're looking to achieve, and also why. What is your motive? What is your reason? Because without that, there is no action. Okay, so this is not optional. You need to know exactly where you're going, or at least you need to start working on it. You need to create a vision, a clear vision for yourself. As well as that, you need to have the right mental attitude. You need to work on your mindset. You need to work on who you are. What are your beliefs? Your beliefs, do you have limiting beliefs that's going to keep you from moving forward in your business? What are your strengths? What are you good at? What are your values? What do you believe in? Again, what do you value? So these are things mindset that you absolutely need to work on if you want to have a successful online business as an entrepreneur, of course. Okay, so these things, of course, are the practical components that any business have, but really I wouldn't recommend to start any of that without this first. Okay, and the good thing is you can start working on this straight away and for free. You can start working on your vision and your goals today. You can start working on your mindset today. There's so many resources available on the internet that will help you work on your mindset. What I'm talking about is there's so many videos and audios and books even that you can download for free. So this stuff is free, but without this, don't even bother starting to put this into place. Okay, so that's all I wanted to say for that. And now what we need to talk about is your resources. What do you already have in place? What you already have going for you? Because this is something that you can capitalize on. Do you have time? How much time do you have available to start an online business? Do you have a full-time job? Do you have a few hours available in the evening? Or do you have plenty of time? This is your resource. Do you have money? Do you have capital to invest? Maybe you have plenty of time and no money to invest in your business, or maybe you have plenty of money and no time, or maybe a bit of both, who knows. Okay, so you need to write these things down. What do you have right now available for yourself? This is important. Your skills, your skill set. What are your existing skills that you have built over time in your life? Maybe you have acquired some skills from your job, from past work situation, maybe skills that you have developed from your passions, skills as a person. Maybe you are a good listener. Maybe you are someone who is good at putting things together. Maybe you're good at organizing things. Maybe you are good at playing basketball. Maybe you're good at cooking. I don't know. What are your skills? Now, this is important. Again, I want you to make a list of your skills, whether they are practical skills or skills that you have acquired, relationship skills. Are you a good communicator? Are you a good listener? Things like that. These are all things that you want to capitalize in your business directly or indirectly. And support. What support do you have in place? Are you going in this as a solo entrepreneur? Are you going to do this all by yourself? Or do you have someone who supports you? Do you have a partner, whether it's a business partner or a life partner that shares your vision with you, that is there for you, that is willing to share the workload, or that is there to support you maybe in your daily life? Do you have a community? Do you have friends, family that support your vision? This is important. So these are all your resources that you need to write down and that you need to have clear that you're going to be using later on in your online business. All right, so what I want you to do right now, let me escape out of this, is really go over this presentation again, okay, and think about those essential components that you need to have for a successful online business. Okay, maybe think about it for the rest of the day, for the rest of the night, over the next few days before you start anything. Okay, and what if, that is the next thing. What if there was a place, a system really, but I'd rather call it a place because it's more than just a system, that could provide you with all of this, with the practical and the essential components that we've just talked about, that could provide you with finding the right offer for you. Maybe you don't already have an offer. Maybe you're looking for something that you could sell, but something that you're passionate about. You don't want to just sell anything. Something that makes sense to you, something that is meaningful to you. Okay, what if there's a place that could help you do just that? Find the suitable offer that suits you. At the same time would show you how to learn to generate traffic, generate the right visitors, to create the right visitors, thanks to a sales process, a system that's going to allow you to do just that, but also at the same time will help you work on your vision, that will show you exactly how to create your vision, how to have goals, and how to keep those goals right in front of you on a daily basis, as well as work on yourself, work on your mindset, your personal development. What if there was one place that gathered all of those elements for you? Because usually when you go looking for online marketing training on the internet, you need to gather all of this yourself. You need to search for find an offer, find a way how to generate traffic, find a system that works, find a way to keep your attitude positive with your goals and your vision in front of. What if there was one place we had all of this reunited? Okay, so what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to leave a link in the description that is going to give you access to such a place that you can explore at your own leisure. I think at the moment, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm just trying to open your mind, open your eyes to something that could possibly, if you're watching this video, benefit you into starting your online marketing journey. All right. So Jennifer Sada, please let me know before I go if you found this information helpful, or if you didn't, as a matter of fact, let me know as well. Please leave a comment below. Be nice about it, okay? And also let me know if you have any other questions that would be related to this topic, okay? So related to creating a business successfully, an online business successfully, okay? Not just any question, okay? Don't be asking me what age my kids are or anything like that. Anything relevant. So that's it for this short presentation. Please subscribe if you haven't, give me a thumbs up, and I guess I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.